Solving equations for mystery x. So we're on to the day 2 of our algebra, and we are going to be not only balancing equations, but we're going to be solving for unknown variables. So first of all, what is algebra? Algebra is when letters or symbols are used to represent unknown numbers in a number sentence or in an equation. So equations are number sentences that have two equal sides. So when there is a missing number, it can be replaced by a letter or a symbol. Okay, so at the end of this, you should be able to solve equations with unknown variables. So variables, an unknown amount in an equation. So what would make this number sentence true? So here is our unknown amount. That is our variable. So 3 plus what equals 4. In algebra, unknowns are often represented by letters or symbols. So this same question, the unknown, is represented by an M. So 3 plus M equals 4 instead of just a blank or a question mark. So in this case, we add one more, and that means that M is equal to 1. So if we put a 1 here, then we know 3 plus 1 equals 4, and we've balanced our equation. So when you're solving for variables, you need to figure out what that missing number is, and you write down that it equals whatever that number is. So for example, on your first slide, you're going to be solving for x. Here's our balance scale. We have the 6 on this side and the 10 on the other side. And we have plus x. So in this case, x is our mystery number. This is our variable. So 6 plus what equals 10. So how are we going to balance this scale? So you would write it in here. We have 6 plus, that didn't like that. We have 6 plus 4 equals 10. And I'm going to just drag this over so that it fits up here. So I know that if I add 4 to 6, I will get the same as 10. So this side is equal to this side, which means that this variable x would be replaced by 4. So x equals, I would write my answer in here, x equals 4. So you are going to be solving all of these missing numbers using your scale. So here we have 15 on this side, 11 on that side, and it's asking minus y. So what is y? What is this missing variable? So what would we have to subtract from 15 to get 11? So I know that 15 minus 4 is the same as 11. So 4 is my variable, so I would write y equals 4 and put my unknown in. So you have many equations like this that you're going to do on these slides. Excuse me. What will we add to find the variable b and g? You're going to solve for t, and I'm just going down here to solve for r because we've only been doing addition and subtraction, but equations can also include multiplication and division. So, and it can have many parts together, not just 2. So I've got 4 plus 3 plus 6 equals C, or what, plus 11? So what would C equal? And that's how you answer an unknown. In this case, we have, this is our variable is h, not to be mistaken by the x. And this, in this case, it's not an x, it's multiplied by. So 7 times 2 is equal to 5 plus what? So what is h in this case? So that's the multiplication one, and another multiplication one here for you to solve. Back to addition, and in this case we have division. 40 divided by 2, so 40 divided into 2 parts equals what? And then how do we make this side equal that side? So 14 plus what is the same as 40 divided by 2. So you're solving for G. So as you work through these equations, these unknown variables, the mystery X, and in this case it's mystery R, S, T, and every other letter under the sun, you can use the scale if you'd like to put your numbers here and balance it before you write in your what you solve for R beside. Okay, good luck with that.